Hello, and welcome to another MCO update on Bitcoin. We take a look at the Bitcoin chart here on the shorter time frame. Actually, just want to take a look here at the 15-minute chart. This is sort of just an intraday update before the daily candle close. Today, I mean, nothing too crazy happening today here. No major breakouts, no major breakdowns. All we have seen today was a pullback into this orange Fibonacci support zone, which, if you followed the previous video, you know that already, is positioned between 82,444 and 84,235. I can remove the upper section now, we don't need that anymore. But this is the Fibonacci support zone we were watching for today. And then in the last update, I even shared the Fibonacci extensions. Good news is always, or it's always good, if the Fibonacci extension zone, which is highlighted here in blue, and the Fibonacci support zone, retracement zone rather, if they overlap, okay, and which they do here, because let's imagine the targets would be lower than the actual support levels. That wouldn't be great. That wouldn't be great. So for now, we had some key levels here to watch. Specifically, I've highlighted the $83,910 level as support. And we had a reaction to that already, and the price is already pushing higher. Now, is this already an upside reversal? We will see. I will tell you what I need to see to confirm that we've actually bottomed in this B wave. Before we dive into the microstructures any further, let's just zoom out a little bit, talk about what's going on here, because the idea is that this here would be a larger degree wave 4 that bottomed there around the 11th of March. And we're now watching if the market can form a solid 5-wave move to the upside. So we have a wave 1, we have a wave 2, and this wave 2 is an A, B, C structure. We could now be in a third wave, which is again an A, B, C structure. And then we should get a fourth wave and a fifth wave. And the fifth wave would again be an ABC structure. So we're basically now in the third wave. That's the idea from a bullish point of view. And this is a plausible scenario as long as the market holds above the Fibonacci levels there, especially above the 78.6 retracement at $82,444. Because we're holding above it, I maintain focus on the white scenario. It is absolutely possible that the white B wave has bottomed. It's a 3-wave move down into Fibonacci support. All that now needs to happen is just that the bulls turn up and drive the price higher. The invalidation point is not the same as Fibonacci support, so if the price breaks below Fibonacci support, then the invalidation point will likely be tested at 81,130. And now let's zoom in a little bit and take a look at the absolute microstructure here. Important is now to understand, okay, what is the level that now needs to be broken to the upside to suggest a low is in? It would be a break above 85,060. So we are still holding below that. That's the 50% retracement of the last decline. It's not a very meaningful level, but it's best we've got right now. We're still holding below that level while I record this video, but reaction is already promising, just needs a little bit more action. Any break then above the B wave high at 86,520 would be, let's say, more solid evidence that actually a low has formed. So essentially what I'm looking for initially is a 5-wave move up above initial resistance. That hasn't happened yet. This is a 3-wave move up and we're still below resistance. So I'm not convinced yet that we've bottomed, even though price action looks a bit, looks promising, but we need to see a break above that 85,060 level and ideally a 5-wave move. So instead of just 3 waves, I want to see another higher low and another higher high. Then we've got a 5-wave move up, yeah? And the question is, okay, if a low is actually in, where could that C wave to the upside take us? And I'd be looking for the price to take it, or I'd be looking for the C wave to get to the 100% extension again. 90,200 would be the next level. Yeah, 90,200. That's if we've bottomed already. Now, that being said, if we get another low, which is still likely, especially if we are below resistance still, then this target would be adjusted. And this is only the first ideal target. Then we'll see if, okay, do these levels overlap somewhere? Yep, around 90,200. But I'd say this is only becoming more relevant, or this would only become more relevant if we really break above initial resistance at 85,060. Then we can, let's say, watch for the price to reach the 90,200 level above. So I think for now, it's looking promising, but even another low in the orange support area wouldn't be a disaster. But then ideally, after that low, we're turning around to the upside, or the structure morphs again and we're falling back into the familiar previous range territory. So I'll keep you updated about that. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us for a late session here on X today. We've got this after work session running, so feel free to let us know your chart requests. Give us a reason though, so don't just drop the ticker. Let us know why we should analyze, and then yeah, I'm gonna answer your requests here, at least as many as possible for the next few hours. Join us there. There's a lot of other stuff about mindset, trading mindset, tips, additional videos. I uploaded SPX 6900 today. Apparently very popular meme coin, as you know. So yeah, check it out, additional updates here and so on. I'll see you there. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.